I only needed one orange, but I decided that it would be a better idea to buy a whole bag. So today we're solving the orange problem, and not the orange problem in the White House, but that's being taken care of, so that's good. Today I'm going to be making spiced orange gingerbread men. This recipe is from Land O'Lakes, and as usual it's going to be linked in the description box below. I'm going to be making some candied orange slices over on my Instagram. Follow me there. Let's get into it. Start by combining 2/3 a cup of molasses, 1/3 a cup packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of softened butter, and 2 teaspoons of orange zest in a bowl. If your arm hurts, you're doing it right. Beat with a hand mixer on medium until it's smooth, and then add 2 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a good shake of salt. Combine with a spoon first, then beat at low speed until well mixed. Cover and refrigerate 2 hours or until firm. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and roll the dough out 1/2 at a time, keeping the other half refrigerated when you're not using it. Roll it about 1/4 inch thick, cut out your people. Okay, do that. Place them onto a greased baking sheet and bake them for about 6 to 8 minutes. And you could frost these, but I'm too impatient, so I'm gonna dig in. I hope you guys will stick around for a while and subscribe down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.